and today we're going to make a DIY Forky. And it's me, Sammie, after all. Hi! Let's get started. Welcome to Sammie's Toy Reviews. These are what we need. Glue, googly eyes, popsicle sticks, Play-Doh, red and blue paper, pipe cleaners, and forks. Now let's begin. First, I'm gonna cut the eyebrow. Next, let's cut the mouth. I'm done cutting them and let's get started. Let's build our first Forky. Here we are. Now let's put the eyebrow. There. Just do that side and that side. Now let's put the mouth. There. Yay! Let's put his arm. Make sure it's the same length. I'm done with the first one. I just done the Forky family. This is Daddy Forky, this is Mommy Forky, this is Brother Forky, this is Sister Forky, and this is Baby Forky. Let's sing a family Forky song. Daddy Forky, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy Forky, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother Forky, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Forky, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Forky, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Here are the Forkies. Bye guys, hope you liked my video and please give thumbs up and like and subscribe. Bye. 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 Bye bye. Bye. La la la.